Hello everyone, welcome back to NT Coins World, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of coin collecting. Today we're covering an interesting set of US coins from the 1980s, specifically the 1984p, 1984p, 1985p, 1986p, 1986D, and 1987p $quarter coins. We'll explore each coin's design, historical context, mintage, market value, notable errors, and why these coins have caught the attention of collectors. Let's get started. 1984p $quarter coin. The 1984p Washington quarter is an interesting piece in US coinage history. This coin, bearing the P mint mark for Philadelphia, belongs to a time when the US mint produced quarters in large quantities to meet rising demand. Historical context. In 1984, the United States saw economic growth, and there was an increased emphasis on the circulation of coins to support a robust economy. This led to higher production levels at the Philadelphia Mint, which can be seen in the mintage numbers for that year's quarters. Additionally, the 1980s was a period when the mint shifted more heavily towards producing coins with minimal precious metal content, aligning with the 1965 transition to copper-nickel-clad coins instead of silver. This cost-saving measure allowed for increased minting without the pressure of using more expensive materials. Design features. The obverse of the 1984p quarter features the classic portrait of George Washington, designed by John Flanagan. Flanagan's depiction of Washington, which first appeared in 1932, has remained an iconic image in US coinage. Washington faces left, with the words Liberty above his head and the year 1984 below his bust. The mint mark P for Philadelphia is located just behind his ponytail. On the reverse, we see the American eagle, wings spread wide, clutching a bundle of arrows with an olive branch below. Above the eagle are the words United States of America and E pluribus unum, the quarter's denomination, $quarter is inscribed below. Mintage. The Philadelphia Mint produced an impressive number of these quarters in 1984, totaling over 676 million coins. With such high mintage, the 1984p quarter is readily available in circulation today. However, finding one in pristine, uncirculated condition can be more challenging and is therefore more desirable for collectors. Market value. For collectors, the value of a 1984p quarter varies based on its condition. In circulated condition, these coins typically hold face value. However, uncirculated examples, particularly those graded MS65 or higher, can be worth around $5 to $15. A gem quality coin graded MS67 or MS68 can fetch much higher prices due to the rarity of finding a 1984p quarter in such high-grade condition. Notable errors. The 1984p quarter has several known errors that can increase its value. One of the most sought-after errors is the double die obverse, where parts of the design, such as the date or lettering, appear doubled. This error is relatively rare and can fetch a premium price, especially in uncirculated condition. Other errors include off-center strikes, which are less common but still of interest to collectors. In collector interest. Due to its high mintage, the 1984p quarter is not particularly rare in circulated condition. However, collectors are drawn to well-preserved examples and coins with unique errors. As part of the Washington quarter series, this coin is often included in collections that focus on $quarter coins from each year and mint mark. 1985p $quarter coin. The 1985p Washington quarter is another classic coin from the Philadelphia Mint, embodying the traditional design of Washington quarters produced over several decades. Historical context. In 1985, the United States continued to see economic changes, with the quarter playing a crucial role in everyday transactions. The minting of coins during this period was extensive, ensuring a stable coin supply for commerce. This period reflects a continued commitment by the US Mint to supply a high volume of coins, as well as a growing interest in numismatics and coin collecting. Design features. Like the 1984p, the 1985p quarter features John Flanagan's portrait of George Washington on the obverse. Washington's left-facing profile is surrounded by the inscriptions "Liberty in God We Trust" and the year 1985. The Philadelphia Mint mark P is positioned behind Washington's ponytail. The reverse also remains unchanged, with the majestic eagle design, a staple in American coinage. The eagle's wings are fully spread, and it clutches arrows with an olive branch beneath, symbolizing America's desire for peace but readiness for defense. Mintage. The Philadelphia Mint produced over 775 million quarters in 1985, reflecting strong demand and circulation needs. This high mintage rate means that 1985p quarters are readily available, though high-quality examples are less common. Market value. In circulated condition, the 1985 P quarter typically retains its face value. However, uncirculated examples graded MS65 or higher can range from $5 to $15. Coins graded MS67 or higher are much more valuable due to their rarity in pristine condition. Notable errors. Collectors often seek out error coins from this era. One notable error on the 1985 P quarter is the double die reverse, where the reverse lettering or design elements are doubled. This error can increase the coin's value significantly. Other types of errors, like off-center strikes and die cracks, are also collectible and command a premium. Collector interest. The 1985 P quarter attracts collectors interested in assembling a complete series of Washington quarters. While it is not particularly rare in circulated grades, high-grade examples, and those with errors are valuable additions to a collection. 1986 P quarter dollar coin. The 1986 P Washington quarter is a notable coin for collectors due to its higher production volume and occasional unique errors. Historical context. By 1986, the U.S. Mint continued its commitment to producing large quantities of coins, supporting a stable and efficient economy. This was also a period of renewed interest in collecting modern coinage, with more collectors focusing on contemporary coins in uncirculated and high-grade condition. Design features. The obverse retains the classic Washington profile by John Flanagan, with inscriptions of Liberty in God We Trust, and the year 1986, the mint mark P is placed near Washington's hairline. The reverse also features the eagle, a powerful symbol of the nation's strength and independence. The eagle's wings are spread, and it clutches arrows while perched above an olive branch. Mintage. The Philadelphia Mint produced a substantial 551 million quarters in 1986. While circulated examples are easy to find, uncirculated coins with high grades are sought after by collectors. Market value. Circulated coins generally hold face value, but uncirculated examples in MS65 can range from $5 to $15. Coins in MS67 condition are far rarer and command a premium. Notable errors. Errors like double die, off-center strikes, and die cracks are occasionally found on the 1986 P quarter. These errors can increase the coin's value, especially among error collectors. Collector interest. Collectors looking to complete a Washington quarter series value the 1986 P quarter. Its higher mintage means it is widely available, but high-grade coins and error coins are particularly attractive for their scarcity and unique appeal. 1986 D quarter dollar coin. The 1986 D quarter, minted in Denver, adds to the allure of 1980s quarters, especially for those building a full collection from this era. Historical context. In 1986, the Denver Mint maintained high production levels to meet public demand. The D Mint Mark quarters circulated widely, fulfilling daily transaction needs and growing collector interest in modern mint marks. Design features. The obverse continues with the Flanagan portrait of George Washington, complemented by the year 1986 and the D Mint mark from Denver. The reverse eagle design remains a symbol of American pride and strength. Mintage. Dhaka. Approximately 504 million 1986 D quarters were minted, making this coin readily available in circulated grades. Market value. Circulated 1986 D quarters hold face value. Uncirculated examples can bring $5 to $15 in MS65, with high-grade coins in MS67 or above worth more. Notable errors. Errors like off-center strikes and double dies are valued by collectors. Collector interest. The 1986 D attracts collectors aiming to complete sets from both mints, adding interest with error coins and pristine examples. 1987 P quarter dollar coin. The 1987 P quarter from Philadelphia is well regarded among collectors. Historical context. The 1987 P represents a time of continued interest in high mintage quarters for economic activity and collection. Design features. The obverse maintains Washington's profile with Liberty and In God We Trust, and the mint mark P. The reverse eagle symbolizes America's identity. Mintage. With around 582 million minted, the 1987 P is easily available, with high-grade and error coins sought after. Market value. Circulated coins remain at face value, while MS65 uncirculated coins reach $5 to $15. Notable errors. Error coins like double dies and off-center strikes increase the 1987 P's value. Collector interest. Collectors value high-grade coins and errors to complete their Washington quarter collections. Thank you for joining NT Coins World. Please